Okay, I think we can all collectively agree that I haven't put any body highlighter on yet. Hold on. We weren't sad, we just needed to put on some body highlight. So anyway, as I was saying, I think we can all collectively agree that there has been a trending makeup look going on TikTok at the minute, and I feel like this is just the it girl makeup look of the season. Starting with a wee bit of peel-aways, but I love the fact that it's just soft glam as well. Nothing beats a wee bit of soft glam with a wee bit of cool toned, and there's a lot of sparkle, but nice soft, very like angel-like sparkle. It's honestly like I've seen so many girls on TikTok doing this type of makeup look and it just looks so pretty. So I'm of course going to try and do like my own twist on it. So I'm going to start with my eyes first. I think I'm just going to do a wee bit of a wing to start with. Alright, I'm going to go with some primer first, so the Laura Mercier Blank Canvas Illuminating Primer. Just for a wee bit of hydration and a bit of glow. So I've also lifted out a couple of palettes. The Colourpop Cloud9 palette. This palette is absolutely disgusting. Do you wonder how your makeup gets so dirty? But I feel like this is the perfect palette because it's got such beautiful cool tones, and then it also has quite neutral cool tones as well to do a wee bit of something in the crease, and then a wing also, and some white shades, silver shimmery shades, and then the Morphe 18CT Matte Essentials palette. I might take this palette for one or two shades. I don't know, I think I might actually just maybe get away with just using this one, because as you can see there's a matte white here. Do you know what, just to kind of keep it easier, I'm going to just use and take one palette, so the Colourpop Cloud9 palette. So taking this shade to start with. Actually, okay, I'm gonna have to go and take the Morphe palette because there isn't a dark enough colour in this palette to do a wing. I could use this colour and I could use this black, but this black has blue glitter reflect through it. Isn't that really pretty actually? I don't want to do grey, I'm going to use one of these. Like cool tone browns instead. I think that just might be a wee bit more complimentary. I love how I've been starting a gallery wall behind me, and you can barely even see half of the pictures I've put up. Like I was really excited putting this one up, this one here, and then this is my Mona Lisa. I was so excited to put this one up, and like this frame here is absolutely stunning. It's vintage. And it's really heavy and you can't even see it. So pissed off because I was even thinking I could swap these two, but it just, the way the nails are, it just didn't work. Just stamping that shadow on along the top, then starting at my lower lash line and dragging out towards the tail of my brow, also using stamping motions. Or if you feel confident enough to just swipe, go on ahead. Usually once I get to the very end, I just like to do a wee bit of a swipe and lift the pressure. That's what gives a really nice like sharp edge to the wing. And then I like to come back on myself and fill it in. I'm taking the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Foundation. So I'm just taking a wee bit more. I'm obviously going to be building this foundation up to its full coverage. So one thing I also like about this foundation as well is the fact that it can be quite versatile in how you actually use it, because the formula is very, very thin, very liquidy. So you can just have a wee bit of it so that it's nice and sheer with light to medium coverage, or you can actually build it up till it's more full coverage and more full glam, you know, but still looking just like skin on the skin. But just looking like butter on the skin, and the skin just looks so flawless and not cakey. I definitely think this foundation is very high contender for possibly being my wedding foundation. It's either between that one or the NARS Natural Radiant Longer Foundation. Definitely between those two. So this is the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is the YSL All Hours Concealer. It's in the shade DW4. Okay, we're very pink. No, Shy by Maple Mitchell. I think I might actually just go in with this one because this colour is just, it's hard to beat. Even on the lips, this colour is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put a wee bit on my nose as well. This powder was just sitting out from yesterday. So it's the Glam Insta Red Eye powder. So I'm just going to use the pressed one first and then the loose one. So if you missed yesterday's video, this is the bubblegum one, the pink one. And just dusting this off. This is a really nice powder. I like the loose and the pressed one, but it can be quite drying on the skin. Oh god, it feels so soft. But you know what I mean, whenever you use a loose powder and your under eyes, or just where you've set, kind of looks crepey and just dry and parched. But once I use a setting spray, it's fine. Kind of just soaks up any of that excess powder and kind of just rehydrates my under eyes again. Breathe. Oh no. Oh, this feels horrible because this top I'm wearing is fluffy. It's all wet. It feels horrible. What's up, Beauty blush in Gentle Genova. Jesus Christ, Frosty the frickin' snowman. Whoa. So this is the collection. I'm going to be using this in my eyes as well. It's the Diamond Shine Highlighter. Oh, oh, I don't have another highlighter. Whatever. This is just pure glitter. What the? Did I not say I was going to do my false lashes? I literally went on to TikTok instead. And I was just... and I've only put mascara on one eye. Fuck. I just am not in the mood today. So I'm going to get kind of like a flat-ish fluffy brush and go into this white shade. Just in the inner corner. And also bringing it up into the front of the lid as well. And also kind of down here a wee bit. I'll zoom in so you can see a wee bit better. I think this is just going to really transform the makeup. You can kind of see already like how much that's really opening up the eye. On Christmas Day, do you guys actually do glam makeup and get dressed up and wear your favourite outfit, or have like a Christmas Day outfit, or do you stay in pyjamas and no makeup? I'm definitely a type of person, I get full glam. I'm full glam. I'm full glam and I have a Christmas Day outfit. I'm gonna go into this shade here. So this is like a beigey champagne type of shade. Probably best to apply this with the fingers, but oh well. And I'm going to put this just up the centre of the lid. Just a tiny wee bit. And then go in with my fingers and do a wee bit of blending. Oh, I have drip drip. Okay, we'll leave that for now. I think it might be a wee bit too intense. So going in with the collection highlighter. What I love about this is the fact that it just gives off a sparkle. Just a sparkle and not really anything else. Like, you see the way it looks like nothing whenever it's swatched? And then I'm going to put this in the inner corner. Okay, I think we might need a wee bit of drip drip. This doesn't seem to be sticking to the inner corner because I just think it's got nothing to actually stick to. So a wee bit of drip drip. Yeah, that's working so much better actually. Using the drip drip. Okay, do you know what I'm loving actually? So I was getting quite a lot of fallout with the collection highlighter and I've been wiping it away, but it still has left quite a bit of sparkling fallout around here, and I'm not mad at it actually. I feel like it's actually tying in quite nicely. So it's fine. I'm just gonna leave it. So I've just applied a wee pair of half lashes. I actually just think these are from Glam. And then I don't think I'm going to do any mascara or anything on my lower lashes, but I am wanting to put a white in my waterline. So am I allowed to put this in my waterline? Because I don't think I have a white eyeliner. Oh no, nude. We'll use a nude. And then thinks it's MAC. And then on top of that, I'm going to use this Kiko gloss. Just a wee bit though, just in the center of the lips, so top and bottom. Okay, so this is the finished look. I will have everything listed linked down below in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.